Are you having chronic constipation? Do you have symptoms such as dry lips, cracked feet, bad body and mouth smell, dry skin, dry hair, and hard, stone-like stool? Are you dealing with bloating, gas, excessive thirst, sudden weight loss, or constipation due to fatty liver? Let's understand what constipation is, the reasons behind it, and how these symptoms are related to each other in a much easier way through ancient Indian Ayurveda's perspective. We will start with a simple example. Have you ever noticed what happens when you put a wet cloth under a fan or hang it out in the open air? The cloth starts getting dried up. Similarly, when you use a hair dryer, which blows air, your hair also starts getting dried up. This shows us that the air in our atmosphere has a unique quality. It has a drying effect on things when it comes in contact with them. This idea aligns with what the ancient Indian Ayurveda teaches, that our bodies are made up of 5 elements: fire, water, air, ether, and earth. The element air has a very distinct quality in it, that it is dry in nature. And whenever it comes in contact with something, it will start drying it up. The air referred to in the Ayurveda text is present throughout our entire body, including our intestines and stomach. When this air is in balance, it facilitates the movement of bodily fluids and nutrients and supports important bodily functions such as breathing, heart function, and the elimination of toxins, fat, and waste. However, when this air becomes aggravated or unbalanced, it can lead to excessive dryness in the body. If the air is aggravated in the intestines, it can dry up the intestines, stool, and the necessary water and lubrication, resulting in constipation and impaired mobility. The reason for experiencing hard, knotted pebble-like stool is due to the dehydration of the stool, which makes it hard and difficult to pass. Dehydration removes the water content and lubrication needed to facilitate the movement of stool through the digestive system. When people are constipated, they often pass a lot of gas and may feel something moving in their abdomen because of built-up air in the body that the body naturally tries to expel. This excess air can also cause the stool and intestine to become dry and unbalanced. Let's take a closer look at the symptoms of constipation and understand why it occurs and what happens in our bodies. Dry and cracked lips. Many people who experience constipation also have dry, white, and cracked lips. This is often due to the excess air that causes dryness in your lips and your mouth. When something is excessively dried, it easily cracks up. Dry skin and hair. Many people who experience constipation also notice that their skin and hair become very dry, and their skin may even start to appear whitish, like in the winters. This is again that air that is showing its symptoms and drying each and everything inside our body. Bloating, burping, eruptions and passing of excessive gas. This symptom needs no explanation and can be easily understood as this gas, burping, bloating and flatulence is nothing but that aggravated air only. Excessive thirst and dehydration. Many people who are constipated often feel very thirsty because this aggravated air dries the water content in their bodies. They may experience dryness in the mouth even with minimal talking and feel the need to drink water frequently. This feeling of dehydration is caused by the dry air, which reduces the water content inside the body. Weight loss. Although not everyone, a good number of people start experiencing sudden weight loss along with constipation after a certain period of time. Why does this happen? This occurs because the excessive air is dehydrating your body, including your body fat, muscles, bodily fluids, micronutrients, and vitamins that are supposed to be absorbed by your body. This affects your overall growth, making you weak and thin. Some people may also gain weight, but we will delve into the reasons behind this later when we consider other elements of the body besides air. Pain. According to Ayurveda, the air element possesses several qualities. it is dry in nature and has the ability to dry out anything it comes into contact with. However, Ayurveda also states that air is sharp and can cause pain inside our bodies. In 90% of cases, when we experience pain in our bodies, it is due to the air element. People suffering from constipation often experience pain in various parts of their bodies, such as the stomach, back, rectum, chest, and even headaches. This pain can manifest anywhere in the body because air is present in every organ. Ayurveda suggests that constant headaches can also be attributed to constipation and aggravated air. Unlike other elements like fire, which is burning in nature and creates a burning sensation, earth, which is heavy in nature and causes heaviness, ether, which is void and empty and is associated with emptiness and loneliness, and water, which is fluid and is linked to excessive sweat and oily skin. Air is sharp, pinching, and painful in nature. According to ancient Indian Ayurveda, most of the pain in our bodies is likely due to this aggravated air. Hard knotted pebble and stone like stool creating fecal impaction. This symptom requires no further explanation, as this aggravated dry air causes your stool and intestine to dry up, resulting in rock-hard feces. When these stools are not passed, it leads to fecal impaction and obstruction. Bad odor and smell from mouth and body. This symptom is indirectly related to the air, but it can be easily understood. When you are constipated and the stool becomes rotten inside your body, it will release a bad odor and toxins. This can impact digestion and result in the bad smell being reflected from your mouth, body, and even the continuous gas you expel. Some people may experience this symptom even without being constipated, as it can be linked to other elements that will be explained later. Anxiety, confusion, lack of concentration, irritation, or brain fog. Up to this point, we have learned that air, according to Ayurveda, is dry in nature and causes pain. Now, let's understand another quality of air mentioned in Ayurveda, which is its mobility. The air in the atmosphere is highly mobile, constantly moving, and this mobility also affects the functioning of various organs in our body. However, when this balance is disrupted, it can lead to mobility issues. These issues can manifest within the intestines, body organs, and even in the head. When aggravated air reaches the head and starts moving randomly in multiple directions, it can lead to confusion. This can result in racing thoughts, difficulty concentrating, anxiety, stress, and irritability, which collectively can be described as brain fog. No desire for food, nausea, and weak digestion. So when your stomach is not clear, you will feel full and heavy, lack freshness, and lose interest in food, impacting digestion and causing nausea and anorexia. No urge for stool. Having no urge for stool is simply an indication of aggravation of air and its mobility issues, where it's not creating the pressure, urge, and movement to pass stool from the body. Fissure. Fissure is simply a crack or cut caused by excessive dryness of the air. It's disheartening to see people experimenting with different medications to relieve constipation. Our bodies are not meant for experimentation, and such self-medication can harm our gut health. Using various medications might provide temporary relief, but they won't cure the root cause of constipation. Additionally, some medications can lead to dependence or cause severe digestive problems like IBS and loose motions. To effectively address constipation, it's crucial to understand its causes and make lifestyle and dietary adjustments. Modern medical treatments sometimes fail to address the underlying issues due to a lack of understanding of the body's basic concepts and ancient wisdom. For instance, drinking excessive water, which is often suggested, can weaken the digestive system and exacerbate constipation over time. Enema, an ancient Ayurvedic technique, can be an effective treatment for controlling aggravated air in the body. However, It's important to note that enema should be administered under the guidance of an Ayurvedic doctor using the correct technique and medications. Improper administration of enema can worsen constipation and lead to other complications. Water and coffee enemas might provide immediate relief, but they can be dangerous in the long run. It's surprising to learn that the most ancient text on Ayurvedic medicine advises against water enemas and explains their potential consequences. The air is also not visible in modern diagnosis and tests. That's why it happens with most people that all their reports are normal, yet they are not able to figure out why they get constipated. There are numerous symptoms directly or indirectly related to an aggravated air element in our body, such as rectum prolapse, cracking of feet, dandruff, dullness, social anxiety, fatigue, piles, rumbling and gurgling noises in the stomach, cramps, fullness, bloating after eating, pain after eating, anemia, weakness, hair fall, anorexia, nausea, or they may even result from continuously untreated aggravated air. Due to the fear of a lengthy post, not all symptoms are explained here, but every single symptom can be understood in connection to the air. Connect our social media to gain a deeper understanding and delve into ancient wisdom and knowledge. Some people are so sick, irritated, tired, and sad from their chronic constipation, trying different medications and treatments. They even start experiencing suicidal thoughts, feeling like their body cannot be cured. So far, we have only discussed one element, which is air. However, according to Ayurveda, different elements, when aggravated, can show different symptoms and even cause constipation. For example, if your earth and water elements are aggravated, you may experience too much lubrication and fluid in your body. Some people may even notice a jelly-like substance or sticky stools. You may feel heaviness in your stomach and inflammation. Most people with an aggravation of the water and earth elements will have a fatty liver problem, which can also lead to constipation. If the fire element is aggravated, you may experience symptoms such as blood in the stool, burning sensation in the chest and stomach, acidity, weak digestion, or excessive hunger, which can also lead to constipation. If the ether element is imbalanced, you may experience feelings of loneliness and depression, and your constipation could be due to stress and mental conditions. Or if multiple elements are aggravated, it can show mixed symptoms of each other. For example, some people may have oily skin and yet experience constipation, weight gain, or both. Ayurveda is not a centralized treatment because it recognizes that each person's body is unique. Factors such as the environment, food, lifestyle, and the underlying causes of diseases vary from person to person. Therefore, the diet, treatment, and medications prescribed in Ayurveda are tailored to individual needs. Ayurveda focuses on balancing the 5 elements in the body, as imbalances in elements such as air, fire, earth, ether, and water can lead to different health issues for different individuals. This is why each person's treatment, diet, and medications are personalized. Ayurveda is very detailed when it comes to food and lifestyle. It provides specific guidance on which foods aggravate each element in the body, and which ones help balance, control, and expel these elements. Even small lifestyle changes, like when to drink water in relation to meals, can have a significant impact on health. Following Ayurvedic principles can lead to cure disease and promote healing. Many common lifestyle practices, such as eating before sunset, chewing food thoroughly, and maintaining proper posture during meals and bowel movements, have roots in ancient Ayurvedic teachings. However, many people still make mistakes in their food and lifestyle choices that can lead to constipation and other health issues. We at Healing Roots are bringing a revolution in health with the world's first integrated healing. We integrate multiple natural therapies like homeopathy, Ayurveda, and naturopathy to cure disease from the roots. Healing Roots provides online consultations in India and around the globe. We identify the root cause behind your disease. You can try endless treatments, see numerous doctors, and take medications for the rest of your life, but your chronic disease will never be cured until you address its roots. Our consultation focuses on your food, a personalized diet, lifestyle changes, and correct medications tailored to your body, balancing the 5 elements of our body. We don't believe in selling useless supplements and products, and we don't charge expensive treatments as most natural medicine doctors do. Our vision and aim is to make this world free of diseases and end their dependency on the doctors, drugs, and disease.